This video is a quick overview of the Pixnub Venom template set. This template set is set up for complete automation through the Pixnub system for individuals, teams, and memory mates. It comes with 4 different template files. There's an individual template, a team template, a memory mate setup easy composites style, and a memory mate setup easy team builder style. It also comes with a blank easy team builder document set up with the easy team layer. And this document is set up with the exact image dimensions to match the easy team builder memory mate template. So if you set up your team in this document, that document size will match the smart object size perfectly. So when you batch your memory mates, those teams will fit perfectly into this template. And for the easy composites style template, it comes with the easy composites template PSD files. And this is actually really easy to run. This will do small teams up to 16 for the easy composites style memory mates. So watch the video on this because that's something that's really new and most people have not done any memory mate composites, easy composite style. So watch that video if you're interested in that. It also comes with a set of Photoshop actions to allow you to very quickly customize the colors in your template and set up color themes for different teams without having to know really anything about how the layers are structured. I'm going to demonstrate that here in this video, but I also have a separate video that dives more in depth into this as well, so watch that video too. The last thing that it comes with to mention here is example data files. So if you need to know how to set up the layer structure or the CSV structure for your data files, it comes with this sample file so you know the headers you need to use, as well as it shows you examples of how you can set up the columns for the Photoshop actions, because you can actually use the color changing actions in batch process for your different teams, so you can assign different colors to each team. I'm just going to do a quick demonstration here. I just want to show the color changing actions real quick. I'm not going to run a batch. I'm just going to go into Sports Photo Automation and add a player and then just play a couple of those actions so you can see what those are meant to do. So I'm just going to go to the PSD setup, which if you're doing just a one-off template build, you can use this instead of running a batch. But I'm going to hit the Add Custom Player image. And then if you're running a batch, it will automatically hide that player alignment layer. But if you're just adding a player by themselves without being in batch, you'll have to hide that layer. Then in the actions, these are set up to be able to quickly change the color or the sports ball, and there's 5 different groups in here of things you can change. So for example, if I wanted, let's go teal, the teal color on this center section to match the uniform here. Then I could change the sports ball to something else, like if you had a baseball team. But in this case, we have a volleyball team, so we'd use the volleyball. Or you could use no ball as well. You could change the color of the ball overlay between light and dark. You can change the lighting color. And then you can also change the fog color. So in addition to that, there's also the ability to set up your own color themes. So for example, I've got these different example color themes set up to where you could create one-click color themes for each of your teams. I've just got a few examples of that, but there's literally hundreds of ways you can set up these custom color combinations. And these take literally just a few seconds to record your own custom color theme action, because this action is only 5 steps. You basically hit record and then you play one action from each of those 5 groups, and then it makes a custom color theme action for a specific team, which you can assign in your CSV file and have different color themes for each team. Or you could just, in Sports Photo Automation, when you batch, you could also run one action right in Sports Photo Automation. So if you're only doing a batch for one team and you don't have to actually set up the column in your CSV, you could run that one team color action right here. Oh, there's one more action too that is included, and it's a drop shadow action. So let's grab, let's make this background white because it'll be easier to see the drop shadow here. And then this this action called player drop shadow. This just adds this drop shadow, and you can do that in batch as well here. And the one thing about this drop shadow, I mean, you could save a drop shadow in a layer style for your Sports Photo Automation layers, but that drop shadow gets applied to the entire background. But what this action does is actually it puts in a shadow and then it applies a layer mask, so it's only allowing that drop shadow to be applied to this center hourglass section of the template. Anyway, pretty easy. I hope this video was useful, and if you're interested in this template set, be sure to check it out on our website, as well as check out the other tutorial videos I have for this template set. And in particular, as I mentioned before, if you've never done the Easy Composites Style Memory Mate, make sure to check those videos out as well.